Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a beautiful landing page to convert your visitors into subscribers. Let's use Divi page builder for this. Let's get into the video. First go to your WordPress dashboard, click pages, add new. You'll be redirected to the page section. There you have to name the landing page like this and click use Divi builder. Now you are getting the page to build the form visually. We'll be getting three options like this. I'm choosing the first option to build from scratch and the first one column structure to add the title. Now I'm choosing the title model to add the title like this. You can see the design settings of the title model that I have picked. You can do the in-depth customization like changing its color, background, its text, its font style. So I'm just choosing the Oswald, and now I'm going to increase the text size like this. You can adjust spacing, line height, everything. Divi has detailed settings options, and under elements, if you uncheck these options, you can remove the byline for the title. Click tick button. Now we have added the title for the landing page. Next, I'm going to add some content under the title. So for that, I have picked the text model. This model is same like that we have done in the title. It has detailed settings to choose the font, color, adjust the letter spacing, everything. So I'm adjusting the line height. You can see that. After finishing, just click the green tick. Next, I'm choosing the two column to add some text and the image section. After choosing the text model, I'm just going to add a subheading like this. See, the Divi text model is just like the WordPress editor. You can add subtitle like this and do the other customization like this. Here I'm adding the default content. I'm going to align the bullet points like this. Under the design tab, you can see the other settings. Like text. So here I'm going to choose the font family, font style, and other things. So after doing this, just click the green tick mark. Now I'm going to add the image section in the right side. So I picked the image model where you need to upload the image like this. After adding the image, just click the tick button. The image will be added like this. After this section, let me add the email opt-in form. So you have to choose the email opt-in model. Just search for the model, you will get like this. And there you need to integrate your email service provider. So click email account and add your email service provider like this. You need to add the account name and API key. So for that, you can go to your email service provider account. There you will be seeing the API key. Just copy it and paste it over here and click the submit button. Now your email service provider will be integrated to this form and the list will get added. So click the green tick button and you can also design the other uh, settings like this under the design elements. I'm just going to change the button color and its background. First I am changing the outer layer of the button. You can also change the background color like this. I prefer a light orange color for a nice look. Then its outer layer as white color. So Divi has a detailed uh, settings options. You have to check every options so that you can understand and do the customizations as per your choice. So I'm adjusting the border radius now. You can see it here. Next, let's add the title for the email opt-in. Click its text. Under its content and under the design tab, you can see the text to add the title. You can see the font settings, font style settings, and other background settings are also available. So you can add the title for the email opt-in form like this. You can adjust the body text size and letter spacing. Here I'm choosing the font style, adjusting the line height with the default content, clicking the green tick button. Now it looks now the content looks like unfinished. So I'm just adding some more text to fit in the email opt-in form. Now you can see the text fits into the email opt-in. So after finishing this section, I'm just moving on to the next one. It's a ending message for your visitors. For that you have to add the text model like you have done previously, and you may add the subheading like this. If you have any good offers, you can add it over here. You can add some content with the message so that your visitors can respond to their action. You can see I'm just changing the font size of the text, adjusting the line height of the text and the text size. I'm clicking the green tick button. See, we have almost done, but you can see something is missing and there is nothing but a divider. So let's add divider. Just add one column section and search for the model divider. Just I'm giving a ash color for the divider. I'm clicking green tick, the divider gets added. Likewise, you should add after every section. So after the image and content section, I'm just adding the divider like before. After the email opt-in, choose one column structure, search for the divider model, and change its color like this and click the green tick button. So now I have created the landing page. After you have done everything, click publish button. Now your page will get published. So you have to check every options available so that you can generate a personalized page for your subscribers. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.